Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we will discuss about the backups and their types in the SQL Server. First of all, we need to understand that what is the mean of the backup. Backup means in any organization, whatever the SQL Server inside, we have the databases are there. In this database, what are the transactions are going on regularly in every day, in every hour, in every week. We keep that transactions in a set of a file in weekly manner, in daily manner, in a hourly manner. Okay, so in hourly manner, in daily manner, and the weekly manner, we keep in the separate file, and that file is stored as a backup. So basically, what is the meaning of the backup? Whatever the databases are there, we for all these databases there is a separate backup files have been created in the drives. I'm showing you, suppose here is the drives. In this drive, E drive, we have created one folder. In this folder we have created a folder of the backup. In this backup, whatever the backups are going on, full backup means full over how many types of the backups are there, we will come later. First we need to understand that what exactly means the backups. Let's come into a little bit of the theory. So backup means in Microsoft SQL Server, it is a copy of your database data and objects that is stored separately, so it can be restored later if something goes wrong. This is a bookish definition. Just try to understand. Backup means we have taken, means we keep the jobs, or we are taking the backups manually. In backups, we are taking a copy of data file and log file, copy of data file log file of that particular databases. Backup means we are taking a copy of data file and log file of that particular databases. Okay, it's a copy of the database which protects during the data loss, accidental deletion or corruption. Sometimes in the organization accidentally any tables or any file is deleted by some resources, so we can retrieve that. For what purpose we are keeping the backup? For data loss, for system failures, if sometimes the system failures or any crash happen, so we can restore that data file or the backup of that particular database. What are the transactions happens, we can restore, retrieve easily. In the disasters happen, server damages, or in the cyber attack, what is the sole purpose to keeping the backup in our organization for every database? Suppose there is a banking server, okay, and 1 month ago there is few transaction happen of the big amount, and now the user came and he want to know that can you please provide me the screenshot of that particular transactions. So what happened, this backup helps to retrieve that kind of the data in the data logs also, for while getting some informations also, while system failures also, and the disaster types also. So the next we are coming the types of the backups. Types of backups. How many types of the backups are there? So it depends on the nature of the backups. Types of the backups. So there is a category wise two types. Categories category wise it's two types. Okay, there is one hot backups and number is two cold backups. I'm coming later, I'm just trying to understanding in the category wise. Hot backups means online backups, and the cold backup means offline backups. What is the meaning of the hot backups? Hot backups generally the backup that you can take when the DB is online. Backup we are taking when the DB is online, and the cold backup means backup we are taking when the DB is offline. We are taking when the DB is offline. Okay, so this is a category wise. Now the types of the backups are there. There are total 11 types of the backups we are doing in our organization, but in that 3 to 4 backups are most important backups we need to learn. So I'm writing over here. There are, means I'm talking about when the DB is online. This is a hot backups. Inside the hot backups there are 11 types of backups in online form. So what are the 11 types? Full backup, differential backup, transactional log backup, we will come one by one for this latter. First we need to understand the how many types of the backups are there, in what form, in the hot backups and the cold backups. In the online form, how many types of the backups are going on in the organization. So these are also called the T-log backup. I'm sorry. Then copy only backup, file and file groups backup, tail log backup, split backup. We are taking the backup in the split form also. Then mirror backup, partial backup, then partial differential backup. And the strip backups. There are 11 types of backups are there in online form, but we need to understand 3 to 4 backups. That which one is full differential and transactional log backups, which is very important for us, and another is copy only backup, and tail log backup. So these are all 3 to 4 to 5 types of backups we need to understand. Now we come full backup. What is the meaning of the full backups are there? Okay. Okay, full backup we will come in the later video. In this video, we see that how we are taking the backups. So Suppose here's our SQL server. In the SQL server we have the databases are there. Any one of the databases, suppose this is log, we are taking whatever the transactions are going happen. We suppose we want to take the backup of this Deloitte server. So how can we take the backup of this Deloitte server? Okay, so we clicked on it, right click, task, backup. Okay, so here's come the full backup, differential backup and the log backup. So I'm just keeping the full backup. Okay, in the media option we came, I will explain all these letters in the second video. Backup options, here is a setup backup compression, we just click on it, compress backup. We are keeping the same file location, we clicked on OK. The backup has been done successfully. Okay, so where the backups have been done, here in this location we have kept the backup. So this is the example of the backup I have taken, but our sole means main information that in this video, that what is the meaning of the backups, why we are taking the backups, and how many types of the backups are there. In the later video we will discuss about the full backup, differential backup, and the log backups. So if you like this video, subscribe to the DB Guardians. Thank you.